Baby, can't you see I'm calling? A guy like you should wear a warning. It's dangerous, I'm falling. There's no escape, I can't wait to need a hit. Baby, give me it. You're dangerous, I'm loving it.
Spread my wings and let go. Something stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again.
To our not so little baby anymore, Eliana Zoria, our firstborn, and the reason why we experience this so-called parenthood. First, I want to greet you a happy birthday. And Ate, I hope you are happy with this celebration that we prepare for you. And I just hope at this age, you already know how to appreciate things, even the small things. Ate Yana, always remember that every kasaba nga madawat nimo, that means we care about you. And we love you. I love you.
Good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
Hi Ate, happy birthday Ate, your 7th day. 7th year, I mean, in celebration, in celebrating your birthday. I love you so much Ate. And gusto lang ko makahibaw Ate. You were planned or destined to be my daughter. I keep on praying to have you. Pasensya kayo kung stricto kay si Papa. Every time nga na kay mistake. Kay baon na ka, di ko ganahan nga mapareha ka sa uban. Gusto ko marespetuhan ka sa umabot nga panahon.
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. 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 It's a good day.
Along the way, daghan patag makuha natin lessons to learn and more birthdays to come and celebrate Ate. Happy birthday. I love you so much.